Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play LeBlanc for beginners. LeBlanc is a high-mobility assassin, perfect for players who enjoy burst damage and outplaying opponents. Her Sigil of Malice, or Q, marks enemies for extra damage. Distortion, her W, is a powerful dash for both engaging and escaping. Ethereal Chains, or E, roots enemies, setting up for devastating combos. Finally, Mimic, her ultimate ability, copies her last basic spell, allowing for incredible burst potential and tricky plays. During the early game, focus on establishing lane dominance. Use your Q and W to harass your opponent and clear minion waves. A common trade involves QW onto an enemy, then quickly W back to safety. This allows for quick damage without much risk. Always keep an eye on the minimap. If the enemy jungler is missing, save your distortion for a quick escape. Aim for at least 6 minions per minute to maintain a strong gold lead. As the game progresses into the mid-game, LeBlanc truly shines with her powerful combos. A fundamental combo is QWE, which provides solid burst and crowd control. For maximum damage on a single target, try WRQE, using Mimic to duplicate your distortion for a second dash and burst. Always look for opportunities to flank enemies, catching them out of position. Your goal is to quickly eliminate high-priority targets, like the enemy's attack damage carry or mid laner, before they can react. In teamfights, LeBlanc's role is to assassinate key targets. Wait for the enemy team to commit, then dive onto their squishy carries, such as the marksman or mage. Use your Mimic clone, created by pressing Altar, to confuse opponents and bait out important abilities. Always position yourself on the flanks or in the backline, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Remember, LeBlanc is fragile. Avoid getting caught by crowd control, as it can quickly lead to your demise. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.